This is Karen's Communique number 9. I'm Karen Del Bowerman, Chair of the Clark County Council, and today is April 1, 2022. If there were a title for this week, it would have to be Unfinished Business, because almost every major thing pending from last week is pending this week. Well, coming up next Tuesday is the public hearing on Code of Ethics and establishment of an Ethics Review and Oversight Office in accord with the new Charter Amendment provision. District 5 of County Council remains vacant. Here's the rundown to date. In February, we recruited widely from the Columbian to county press releases. I then personally interviewed all applicants individually, and on February 24, sent to Council the biographies of 3 persons for consideration on March 2 for appointment. As suggested in Washington law, this list was brought for the first regular meeting of Council after being appraised of the vacancy. Well, then, on the day of the scheduled interviews, 2 counselors said they would not participate because they felt that the process was rushed. So we then set Tuesday, March 29. After interviews, 1 candidate was nominated for the position, but Councilors Olson and Lentz said they were uncomfortable with him and the other 2 candidates as well. So as a consequence, Council was deadlocked in a 2-2 tie, and so we then voted unanimously to send the names of the 3 candidates to the governor to consider those 3 candidates in accordance with state law. So for now, that's where the matter lies. County redistricting is underway with the council in a public session coming up April 13. Last week, I shared with you that the redistricting committee member lost her court battle, such that now the issue is back before council. We have to start with a map, but nothing is before us. So, council asked the former master to produce a map meeting state requirements with updated population from the voters' pamphlet, but also recognizing current voter outcomes and undoing the lumping of 3 councilors in the same district. Once a draft plan is adopted, it would be published and then another public meeting held. All of these steps have a specified number of days between them, and all the while we have an even number of councilors to challenge speed of decision making. Well, delay in finalizing the map past the candidate filing deadline could result in a bad situation, so time is of the essence. Hybrid council meetings, we're required to still offer online public access. At next Wednesday's meeting, we'll consider adding in person, hoping that the technology for hearing all participants in the hybrid format will be perfected by then. Regarding the sheriff's office, there is nothing substantive to add yet to the 2 prior reports. I'm simply hopeful that some bargaining will begin to wrap up between the guilds and HR. See you next week.